Hi, this is Ravi Panchal, and today I am sharing my views on importance of English. I want to share a very good moment of my life that I got an opportunity to perform in an interview, and because of only English, how I cracked the interview, I want to share with you. Because of this incident, you will learn so many things, and you will laugh on me. When the interviewer said me that what is the difference between sales and marketing, then I replied him that, sir, the sales is the person who want to express his who he sell and the company products, it is sales. And the marketing is the company provides the branding and the subject related visions, that is marketing. Even I couldn't understand that what I spoke, and he couldn't. That's why he selected me, that I said different. What is the definition? Is I didn't speak. I speak. I spoke that what is the different definitions. Because of only this answer, he selected me, and I got selection. I was laughing on me on outside of the interviewer room that what I spoke, but I realized that thing, that what I spoke differently. That's why I got selection. So if you want to do really different thing in your life, then you have to do something different. As you Kheda sir said in one line, the whole story, the whole ethics of his life, that is the core value of life. That the people who are successful do not doing different things. They are doing the things differently, surely. So you have to perform yourself and do things differently. So if you want to make yourself different, then you have to learn the English. Because I spent my 2 day in Delhi before 3 days, and I realized that metropolitans are different only by the language. They have same two hands, two legs, two eyes, one nose, same height, but they only have one difference between them and us. It is only English. So if you want to make your expand your visions, expand your globalization, expand yourself, then you have to learn English anyhow. It is mandatory for your life.